Brep to clause. This makes a Brep into clause. The first part of this definition is making the Brep that you can see right here over. Let's turn the colors off. And let's turn the gemstone color off. Okay, so you're creating this Brep here first. So you can adjust the thickness. Let's go to 1. Let's adjust the thickness a little here. Okay, we have it in a 7-point sweep, so you can break it down into more points and more profiles if you want to. You can see the points being used to make this, and we're using a custom curve profile. No, we're not using a custom curve. We're using the rail curve here, made from these 7 points, so we can actually change it if you want. We can go make it longer. Okay, you can take the other points. Let's take this point. Okay, so this first part of the definition is to create the Brep that we're going to use. We're capping it, we're mirroring it to both sides, we're moving it, we're joining it together, and then we're rotating it around. Okay, and if we hide it, we can go back in here and you will see it, and you will see the gemstone. Now you can go in here. Let's double click this again and zoom in. You can see how we've changed the look of the Brep. Okay, now if we want the fat part at the bottom, we'd have to rotate it another 270. There we go, or fat part at the top. Let's go back to 90. Okay. Now we can change the shape of the stone, and it'll follow. Okay. Let's go back to brilliant. Let's go to 8 millimeters. Okay, so there's a round brilliant stone. Now, you can change the type of Brep to make the clause from any closed Brep. This allows you for endless designs. Now, when you come here, you can go for do nothing. You can do add just wires. Okay. You can change the number of wires. You can make them flat on top. You can make them round. You can now take those straight, the Brep straight to a surface. You can have straight wires as well. And you can have an arced Brep. Okay, so you can change the number of claws. Let's say you want 8. That gives you 8. You can change the number of rows. So you can get something even more funky. Okay, change the thickness of the B-rep and align the wires. Change the alignment. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back to 6 here, and let's go back to 1 here. Now, here we have the Byzantine profile, and we've added a pipe to it, and we're going to bring that as the B-rep in to here, and you can see how it changes everything. Okay, you can now play with the B-rep. Okay, so as you're making adjustments on the input curve, you're changing the look of your claws. Pretty powerful, right? So it gives you loads of ways to change it. What if we put a sphere in there? And let's put a sphere. And let's move the sphere. Okay. And let's change it to 3. What if we put a box? Or let's try something else. Let's try a cone. And yeah. So, yeah. Cylinder. You have to cap it first. So you see how useful this can be. Thank you for watching.